Hey, this is Mary. Welcome to the channel. When you go to Walmart or somewhere and pick up a can of potatoes, you don't think about the work that goes into canning them. I was gifted 2 bags of potatoes yesterday. I don't need them right now, so I'm going to can them. So I've been peeling potatoes. Got this last one peeled. I have a pot that has lemon juice in the water to keep them from turning brown. So they've been soaking in there. So what I'm going to do is I'll dump water out and I'll rinse all these. Then I need to cut them up into cubes about an inch or so in diameter. And then once I get enough cut up, I have to put them into a pot of boiling water. Okay, now that we have the water boiling, I've measured out the potatoes to go in here. I have 10 pints, which will fit in my canner. So that's 20 cups of potatoes. So, try not to burn myself. Not a good idea. We'll do it the way I was. But that's 20 cups. So, I'll put it in here. And I have to let the water come back up to a boil. And then I have to boil them for 2 minutes. Alrighty, see you back in 2. Okay, we've been boiling for 2 minutes. We're going to take these out, drain them. We parboil them in order to get some of the excess starch off there. This will definitely be nice whenever I have grandchildren suddenly coming up and saying, "Hey, can you fix my favorite soup?" This will definitely save a lot of time having it ready to go like that. So I'm going to bring it over here. And I already have my jars here, hot out of the dishwasher. I have a ½ teaspoon of canning salt in each one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put the potatoes in here. Use my little thing to push them down in there. And I need to bring it over here. And I will put a ladle of boiling water in there. I always have to leave about an inch headspace. I'll wipe it off. Put my lid and ring on there. Just finger tight. Don't want to over tighten it. And I'll take it and I'll set it in my canner. And And I will do this 9 more times, and then I will show you what happens next. Alright, we have got our 10 pints of potatoes in the canner. Okay, now I'm going to put the lid on there, bring it up to pressure. I have pints, so I process them for 35 minutes, and I'll see you when I take the lid off. Alright, the pressure's gone down off this canner, so I'm going to take the weight off, slide it around this way, okay, got it here. Ooh, don't that look pretty? It's still boiling, so you have to be very careful. Oh, go down here. I've got 10 of these in here, 10 more in another canner, and 3 more jars to can in a minute. So, there we go. We have canned potatoes. Okay, finally the pressure dropped on the last one. I'm glad, because I have been at this off and on the majority of the day. Show all the bubbles in there, Tommy, because it is still boiling like crazy. So far, out of the 20 previous pints, I had one that didn't seal. So I put it in the refrigerator, but that's okay. We'll use it in the next day or two. But thanks for sticking around. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and come back for more. We'll see you on the next go around. Good night.